live now. Hello everyone. Uh, Everyone on the YouTube live stream, can you hear me? Please type on the chat box and let me know if you can hear me. So let's wait for a couple of minutes for others to join. फिर हम स्टार्ट करते हैं. 5 मिनट वेट करते हैं फॉर अदर पीपल. हेलो राज. राज, हम वेट कर रहे हैं फॉर अदर पीपल टू ज्वाइन. शिवांशु, लेट्स डिस्कस योर ट्रेड फ्रॉम यस्टरडे. क्या लॉजिक था परसों पुट बाय करने का? मतलब ऐसा नहीं लगा आपको कि मार्केट तो ऊपर जा सकता है? और
नहीं, क्योंकि ऑलरेडी बहुत ज्यादा ऊपर था, तो दैट्स व्हाई आई बॉट सम क्वांटिटी. मैंने सोचा कि इन केस कुछ नेगेटिव हो जाए, मतलब जिसका प्रोबेबिलिटी बहुत लो था उस टाइम, बट इसलिए मैंने ज्यादा क्वांटिटी नहीं लिया. बट लकीली थोड़ा क्वांटिटी भी इतना, मतलब 100 went to 1000, 1300, 1400, तो इट गेव अ लॉट ऑफ प्रॉफिट.
सो ये अपने आउट ऑफ द मनी पुट बाय किए होंगे फिर?
हाँ, बहुत आउट ऑफ, मतलब मार्केट 23,200 पे उस दिन क्लोज हुआ था ना अराउंड.
हाँ,
मैंने 22,800 पुट बाय किए थे, कुछ 140 या 180 में, मुझे एग्जैक्टली याद नहीं है. और
हाँ.
22,500 पुट बाय किए थे, कुछ 180 रुपीस, 90 रुपीस.
तो मार्केट तो खुलते से ही सारे ऑप्शंस आपके इन द मनी हो गए होंगे.
हाँ, राइट. मतलब खुलते के साथ नहीं हुआ, खुला था कुछ 23,000 के ऊपर ही खुला था, लेकिन उसके बाद
तुरंत आ गया था नीचे
सडनली. हाँ,
बट यार दिस इज अ गुड बेट. मतलब ये तो एंटिसिपेट कर पाना कि मार्केट नीचे जाएगा, मतलब आफ्टर एग्जिट पोल.
हाँ, इसलिए मैंने बहुत कम क्वांटिटी ली थी, लेकिन कम क्वांटिटी भी ह्यूज प्रॉफिट दे दिया. मतलब 10x टाइप्स प्रॉफिट दे दिया.
काफी सही बेट थी. Raj, what do you do?
Limit order is not allowed in 1 rupee, is not allowed in flat trade.
No, limit order is allowed. Limit order is allowed.
1 rupee is not allowed in the lower circuit is error in your software yesterday.
Your lower circuit. So what happens right now? The market is currently at around 350, right?
Yes.
So
yesterday's Nifty is 2,900. A 28 800 put is 1 rupee is not allowed in
No. So
flat rate.
I bought that option day before, means on Monday itself at the close. Rakshan, did you get my point?
Yeah. So, Raj, are you asking that it was not allowed yesterday, right?
Yes, yes.
So,
The flat rate is some error in limited circuit in some last or 2 years some error in lowest circuit is not rejected in order.
so what happens? So I think Sivanshu is asking something.
The
So
zero is allowed in 1 rupee or 2 rupees. They allowed in all orders.
So I think right now, for example, let's see for this one.
Okay.
Here the price is currently around 340, right?
Yes, yes.
So what I feel, if you want to buy at a very low price, like let's say at 10 rupees, that's what you are trying to do, right?
Yes, yes.
You want to put a limit order here.
Yes.
So market some of the time will not allow this because this 10 rupee is beyond the daily allowed movement.
Okay, okay.
So that is an exchange compliance that is decided by exchange.
No, I will using in zero the Excel based algo trading.
Mhm.
Allowed in 1 rupees place in order. No problem. No problems. Execute in all more than quantities.
So I think that is for out only. I mean, I feel that is only for out of the money option. So let's say right now bank.
Inth money is 3 o'clock or 2:40 and the range is not allowed.
I mean, if you can send me this. So this is this happening with flat trade or is it happening?
Flat rate is some error in last 2 years is same problem.
If
Uh,
you can, I mean, I know people in flat rate. If you want, like I can connect you with them as well. But you will have to like send the exact details of the issue, like what is the issue that you're facing and what is the notification that you are getting. If you can send a screenshot, then
okay.
I may try to help them.
Yesterday I will screen deleted. I will delete
Yeah,
it.
if it happens again, let me know. I can also try to debug.
Okay, okay.
Do we have
Your
any?
software is good, G, and I will yesterday is working. It's good working, no problem.
Acha.
I will already using is Excel based trading. Excel based algo trading how you trade software.
Hmm.
Put in manually Excel based through input.
Understood.
Stop loss target, maximum order, maximum profit, maximum loss.
Hmm.
Gee, your software is one update and give you. So maximum amount is fixed, maximum loss is fixed. Amount is based square of amount based stop loss.
Yes, so we are adding that. You mean?
I will webinar after I will see you the my software Excel based. You support development.
Okay, so you share that with me, but I got your
Okay.
point. You want PNL based trade exactly.
I maximum entries, re-entry, maximum. So I will want 100 rupees. I will want buy. Okay, Butta call.
Okay. Yeah, so you
Re-entries.
send me. I cannot discuss that right now, Raj, but you
Okay,
send me those things later.
okay. I will send this Excel in your
Hmm.
mail, G.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
So I Ahmad is here. Ahmad, hello.
हाँ है. Can you
Ahmad,
hear
are
me?
you comfortable with Hindi or English?
Anything, Hindi or English?
Okay, so
Yeah,
I think
Hindi.
Raj might not be comfortable with Hindi, right?
Yes.
So,
Maybe.
yeah, so
I
let's.
will.
So can we do it in English then?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Devansh, okay. So I will start with my landing page. So if you go to optionx.trade, this is our website and landing page. Here you have to sign up. Okay, sign
Mhm.
up using your email, phone, and you will have to provide your.
I can't see your screen.
Oh, sorry. Let me. Can you see it now?
Mm. Yeah.
Yes, thanks.
Okay. So if you want, you can make it full screen from your computer. Go to this three more option and go to full screen. Okay. So this is a so OptionX.trade. This is our landing page. Once you go here, you have to sign up with your details, email, phone, and all. You will have to verify your number with OTP. Then go to sign in. Sign in with your credentials. Once you sign in, you will be taken to this page. All right. So here you will see two ladders when you are logging for the first time, and if you try to place an order, you will be asked to subscribe. Right. You can also go from this more option and click on subscribe, and you can take a 14-day free trial. It's free of cost, and all the features which are available in paid plans are available in free trial as well. Right. Once you subscribe for this 14-day free trial, you have to so if I may ask, what is your broker, Ahmed and Raj?
Actually, I'm using right now Flatrate, but before I was using Engine One. I think Engine One I haven't integrated with your OptionX, right?
Yeah, so Angel we are going to integrate soon, but Flatrate is there. Flatrate is also very fast.
Yeah.
So what you have to do right now, I'm logged in with Flatrate only. So you have to basically, when you log in, you will see offline status here with a red dot. So you can click here as well, or you can go to this login with broker. When you go to this page, click on Flatrate, and a page like this will open. Okay. So here you have to provide your API keys and API secret. To create this, go to this link which is Flatrate Pi. Log in with your broker credentials. Go to this Pi and click on create new API key. Alright. Here give a name, for example, like OptionX. Then short name, also OptionX trading something. Just remember, you have to paste redirect and postback URL from this page. Okay, so redirect URL is here. You have to copy this here, and then you have postback URL. So recently they have given this drop down. So select HTTPS from here and delete HTTPS from our link. All right. So give a brief description, and once you create, so I will just do webinar WB. So this will be created here. Okay. So what you have to do, copy this API key from here, paste it in the OptionX box page, and then from here you can open secret key and copy this as well. Alright, once you submit, you will be basically logged in. Once you create this app, you may have to wait for a couple of minutes because it takes like 2-3 minutes to get activated. But once you wait and submit, you will be taken to this page, and you will be logged in with Flatrate. Next time, next time you can simply log in by just providing your broker credentials. So API key you have to provide just once. All right. Stop me if you have any question, Rajan, Ahmed.
No, this you said there is a ladder, two ladder, first and second, and this third one is the chart. How to open multiple chart and side by side?
Yeah, so I'm coming to that. So you can open as many ladder as you want, and you can open as many chart as you want. So this is our search box. Here, let's say right now I have opened two ladder, 47,600 call option and 46,700 put option. So let's say if I want to open right now Nifty is trading at 22,300, so I want to open at the money 22,300. So this will show me all the options for Sensex 50, and if I scroll down, Nifty 6 June 22,300 call option. So from here I can open ladder for this option, I can open chart for this option, or I can even add it to the watch list. So if you want to open the ladder, click on this ladder icon. So a new ladder of 22,300 call option is opened. Alternatively, you can also change ladders from here as well. For example, this ladder I want to change it to some other option, so I can make it Bank Nifty. Then I have to select the expiry for Bank Nifty, and let's say I want to open a out of the money call option, so for maybe 4800, 48,300. So this ladder will update. So now I opened for Nifty, but now I have updated it to Bank Nifty option. Hope it answers this question, Ahmed.
Yes.
Yeah. And I can
Here I can see this auto stop loss trailing.
yeah.
Is there other option like profit booking and trading like that?
Yes, so auto SL trailing is in fact to save your profit in case the market reverses. So I will take you through all these features one by one. In fact, auto SL trailing is one of the most popular feature in our platform. Okay, and then I can close it. If I minimize it, this will be added to the watch list. If I close it, this will be closed. Okay, so I'm minimizing it, and here in the watch list you can see all the options. So this one I just minimized, so it is here in the watch list. You can add instrument from the search box. Click on watch list and they will be added here. And then we have option chain. So here like you can open option chain for all the indexes with all their expiries. Let me like take my charger. I think I have battery. Just a minute. Give me a couple of seconds. Okay, so now about chart, you can open chart from multiple ways. So from watch list also, if you hover over this, you can open chart for all these indexes or option. From option chain also, you can for every strike for of every index, you can open ladder chart and add to watch list again from here as well. And then in the top bar you can set two indexes. So right now I have Nifty 50 and Nifty Bank. You can change it to any other index. So for example, if you want to change the second index to Sensex, I select 2 and the second one is updated from Nifty to Sensex. Right now coming to, so and again if I want to open chart for this one, I have to just click over Nifty and Nifty chart will be open. Similarly for these options, I can click on these arrows and my chart will open. So I can open as many chart as I want. Let's open a Sensex chart. So I'm clicking here, and on the right side a new chart is open for Sensex. Alright, so now let's come to the main and in the bottom table you will see all the positions, open order and executed orders in the same screen. Now let's do some trades. So here I have opened my Bank Nifty future, and I mean, what do you feel? Will it go up or go down? Going up, I guess. So from here I can choose between normal and MIS. So normal is basically overnight trades. You can carry forward to the next day. MIS is intraday, so you have to square off that day only. Here you will see net position for this option and PNL for this option. From here we can exit full quantity or partial quantity, both in terms of percentages and absolute value. So I will come to this. Then from here I can trade options, or I can also trade in future. So if you want to trade future, just select on future and select, let's say, expiry 26th of June, enter. So now you are looking at the prices of future. Market is very volatile right now, so if you see the spread is very big, at least like 3-4 points, right? So I will go back to option only. Slightly just 100-200 points out of the money because the market is volatile. Then these are order types. So we have single and OCO. OCO is basically bracket order, and with both single and OCO, we can choose between limit and SL. So let's place a limit order. Right now the market is currently at 130 something. So this is my price column. This is my bid column. So I can see all the buyers here. So right now we have around 600 orders in the buy side, and offer column shows us all the sellers. And let's say if I want to place a buy order, so limit buy order, obviously we need to place below LTP. Right now market is around 120, so let's say I want to place an order at 100. So I will click on this bid column. So even before clicking this tooltip, if you see my mouse cursor, just before it, just below this, I am seeing this green buy B and LMT limit. So before clicking also it shows me that what will happen if I click here, right? So so that you don't place any order by mistake. So if I want to place an order here at 100, I will just click on this bid column on the green color, and my order is placed in just one click. So what it tells me, at 100 rupees I have 15 quantity order, because my quantity right now is 15, and I don't have to change this quantity or all these things if I am planning to use the same input settings. Now as you see the market has gone up, so I don't see LTP in right now. So just to recenter this, what you have to do, just double click anywhere in the price column. So your price will come at the center, and you can scroll it up down to see your orders as well, right? So this is our order. Now I will show you what are all the things you can do with this order. So from 100, if I want to modify by, let's say, couple of ticks, by 5 paise, 10 paise, then I can use this plus minus button. So this will modify my order by 5 paisa every click. So now my order is placed at 100.4. We can see this order in the bottom table as well. So this is my open order in this Bank Nifty option, normal single 15 quantity at 100.4, right? And the LTP also is shown here, which is 123. What else I can do? I can modify this order. So to modify, just hover over this 15, which is our quantity, and you will see this cancel option. If you click here, this order will be cancelled. So let's cancel first. So I am clicking here. Now this order is cancelled just in one click. Let's place another order. Click on 100, and let's see how to modify it now. So just to like modify by 5 paise, we have seen with plus minus button. But let's say if you want to modify it by 5-10 rupees or even more than that, so in that case, just go over this quantity. You will see cancel option, but don't click here and leave. Just click and drag and drop. So wherever you want to modify it to, just leave it there. So let's say if I want to modify it at 125, I will leave it here. So my order will be modified to 125 in just a drag and drop with a simple drag and drop operation. Again, to recenter, in the price column, double click. All right. So let's wait for it to get filled. Then we will place an SL order, and we will see how to trail it. I hope we get an entry soon. Maybe modify to 130 something. So I'm cancelling this order. What I will do, maybe let's place here at around 145. Do you have any question, Raj? Hammer?
See, have you modified quantity
No. So
after place an order?
yeah. So what happens right now? Here we have 15 quantities, right?
Yes.
So if you want to add quantity, just click again
Okay.
in front of 145. So we have 15 quantities. So you place one more order of 15 quantities. So now the total quantity is 330,
Okay.
right? And so these are two separate orders, right?
Okay.
So when I hover over it, so it says right click to expand. If I right click, you will see both the orders separately,
Okay.
and you can even cancel any one of them. So I am cancelling one order. Now I just have one ad for 15 quantity.
Again.
Yeah. So let's say if I want to place more orders at the same price, you can
Okay.
do as many as you want. So I'm clicking like 3, 4, 5. So now I
Okay.
have 5 orders. I clicked here
Okay.
5 times, and every
Okay.
time I placed an order of 15 quantity, because 15 is selected here,
Okay.
right? And if I want to see all the orders, just right click here, and you will see 5 different orders,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
And they all can be modified at once. I don't have to modify.
My stop loss target is placed in.
Yes, so I'm coming to that. So I'm canceling this. So in single click, all the 5 orders are cancelled.
Okay.
Now let's take a position in call option again. I think it breaks out above 48,200. Then we will again see a up move in the call option. But anyways, uh, let's put a order at 165. This one should definitely get filled. So we got a fill at 165 now. And what I am doing now I am placing a single stop loss order. So you can see my net position is 15, my PNL is 33 rupees, right? I got a fill at 165. Now let's place a stop loss order, single SL. So for this, what I will do, my entry point was 165. I want to place 15 points below this at around 149, let's say. So if I click here, what will happen? I can it's again. So this is a stop loss order. So for a buy order, stop loss will be placed on the sell side, and just to place sell side orders, you need to click on the offer column,
Okay.
right? And now with this stop loss order, we get one more additional feature. You see this arrow here.
Okay.
This
Yes.
is this is for this is to enable trailing, automatic
Okay.
trailing. So here, if you see, the settings are 1:1. So for every 1 rupee change in price, our stop loss will move up by 1 rupee. Okay.
Okay.
So I just have to click here, and my order will start trailing. So right now it is at 151. And while it is trailing, I can modify at that time also. So we started with 149, right? It moved to 151 by 2 rupees. So now it went to 152. So if I feel that okay, while trailing, the market will not go up further. So at that time also I can modify this ratio. So I want to trail it faster. So now I want to change my SL by 2 rupee for every 1 rupee change in price. So I can update it from here. So now whenever it moves by 1 rupee, my SL will move by 2 rupees. So you see it moved from 154 to 156, now 161. I'm not doing anything. I can change it again to 1. I just have to click on update and it will move. I'm recentering it. So it was triggered at 172. So we entered at 165 and exited at 172 using this stop loss trailing. Any questions, guys?
No, please carry.
Now let's look at OCO order. So OCO is basically bracket order. So with OCO, what happens? I can define my target and stop loss. So sorry, actually before that, I just want to tell one thing. So I'm repeating basically the same thing. So for single orders or for any order, if you are placing a limit order, try to place it below LTP for buy side, right? Limit order. And for sell side, place limit order above LTP. Similarly, if you are placing a stop loss order, for buy side you have to place it above LTP because you want to enter into a breakout. Right now the market is at 160, and if you place a stop loss at 180, that means that whenever market breaks out above 180, you want to enter into this trade. That's why it's called a stop loss order. And with every stop loss order, you will have the option to trail. So it got filled at 180. This is stop loss order. I am placing another stop loss order at 190, 185, let's say, and I will trail it. So I used my stop loss order to take entry, and I'm using stop loss order again for the exit as well. So it got exited at 176. So there was some slippage because the market is very volatile. So now let's come to OCO order. So OCO is bracket order. let's say if I want to have a target of 20 points or maybe 30 point, market is volatile, and a stop loss of 20 point. So I can place an OCO limit order. Right now market is at 175. I want to place order here at 150. So what will happen, this is my entry leg. Once this is filled, I have an exit 20 points below this because I gave 20 point SL. You can give it in terms of percentages and points both. So I have used points, so it's 130. I got a fill at 150. My target is 30 point above this at 180. So whenever either of these two orders, 180 or 130, is triggered, the other one will be cancelled automatically. You can see these two orders here as well, and this order also I can trail. So this is my stop loss and this is my target. So while these are one cancel other orders, and at that same time I can trail my stop loss order again. Let's trail it by for this 1:1 ratio, because I don't want to lose on my existing profit that I am getting from this order. I entered at 150, I am getting a good profit of 10 points. So I want to trail it. Whenever the market moves up, my stop loss will also move up. But I don't think it will. I mean, we will have to basically get our stop loss triggered, I feel, because the market is coming down. So our stop loss is triggered, and with that you will see that this order should be cancelled. This order will be cancelled automatically. Similarly for OCO SL, this is like entry at breakout. So for sell side, let's say if I want to place an OCO SL order, so I will place it below LTP. So currently market is 150. I am saying if it goes below 130, then take an entry. So once I get an entry, then these two, this is my stop loss and this is my target, these two orders will be activated. So I will have to wait for market to come down to give me an entry at 130, because I am betting on the side that market will further go down once it breaks 130. And all these things will be visible here. So our positions currently here is shown here, and they will match with your broker platform as well. All the executed orders are shown here. These two buttons are buy market and sell market options. So all the limit orders or stop loss orders are placed on the ladder because they are pending orders. They will get executed when the market comes to that price. But buy market, sell market orders are executed immediately, so they are not placed on the ladder. If you click on buy market, this will be executed immediately. So I clicked on buy market and I got a fill at the price of 146.1. Then to save this order for like unlimited loss, I can place a stop loss order at, let's say, 139, and I can start trailing it again. From here also I can exit by clicking on this exit button. If let's say I had 30 quantity, then I can do a partial exit as well. So in terms of both points and percentages. So we made 2 points profit by trailing in this order, and now our quantity is 0. So I mean the USP of this platform is that you can do all the order placement. This is an execution platform, not strategy or algo trading. The USP of the platform is that you can enter, exit or manage trades in almost all the times in just one click. And when you are trading intraday and you are trading future and options, so speed matters a lot. Your execution speed will basically help you become profitable. Any questions?
Exit in percentage or points.
Sorry.
Exit position man top car.
Yeah.
Percentage or point
So
give
you
you.
can do both. So let me show you how.
Okay.
So let's say in this option, let's take 75 quantity.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm placing a limit order at,
Mm.
let's say, uh, I mean it's a very out of the only put option. Let me come closer. 47,000 maybe, or 47,300. So here, if I, let's say, place a order of 75 quantity at 102, so it got filled at 102, right?
Yes.
So I can see my quantity here. Now what I'm saying, you have option to exit it partially. So if you
Okay.
select percentage, you can select how many quantity you want to exit, 100, 50, 10%, right?
Okay.
If I do, let's say, 20%,
Okay.
so
Okay.
this will exit 15 quantity. You can see how
Okay.
many quantities will be exited.
Okay.
If you do in terms of points,
Okay.
number, you can exit in terms of lot, how many lots you want to exit,
Okay. Okay.
right? So total maximum it will go up to 75 because your total position is 75,
Okay.
right? So what I will do, I am getting a good profit. I will again put an SL here at 108 for 75 quantity, and I will trail it. Trailing, what will happen, this will use the ratio which is given here. If you want to change it, you can change it while it is trailing as well. So I got a profit of 1200 rupees in just 2 clicks, basically 2 clicks, not more than that. I placed an order here, and then I placed an SL here. Did I answer your question, Raj?
Oh, no, no. I will send it some modification. I repeat, the one entry is give you stop us and hit another again same price is coming by again. Oh, you anytime input not input. One time is give you input
Mm-hmm.
100 rupees.
Mm-hmm.
Stop us is 50 rupees.
Mm-hmm.
Buying entry in at 100 rupees.
Mm-hmm.
Starters kit is 50 rupees.
Okay,
Uh,
50 points stop loss, right?
yes, yes. Exit in exit in first order. Again, 100 rupees coming in price.
Uh-huh.
Again, buying stop loss is 50.
Okay.
Targets in partially.
What is so if I,
Entries is how many time entries? One time or two time or three
no,
time.
no, no, so you have to enter, right? You have
Yeah.
to click here. Whenever you want to enter, you will have to click here.
Okay.
So I'm just giving one example. Let's say I will just do it with one lot. So if you want to place an order of, let's say, at 100 rupees, how much is your target in terms of points? 50 points, right?
Yes.
Okay, and what is your stop loss?
50 points.
50, so 50-50 both, right?
Yes, yes.
So what I'm telling you, if you want to do this trade, select
Yes.
OCO limit, right? If your entry price is, let's say, right now it's 113,
Oh,
right?
yes,
So
yes.
you want to enter at 100, right?
Yes.
So I will click on 100.
Is the entry 100 rupees enter in execute order.
Yeah. So So what will happen when the market comes to 100? You will get an entry, right?
Yes, yes.
And then
Uh,
after that,
After I will stop us kit in 50 rupees coming in price. Stop us kit.
yeah. So this is your stop loss at 50
Yes.
rupees. Okay.
Yeah, 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 again coming price is coming 100 rupees.
Mhm.
Again buying 100, same price buying 100 rupees.
No, so it will not buy again. You
Okay.
will have to basically, if your stop loss or target it hit, you will
Okay.
have to purchase it again.
Okay. Okay.
So that trade is over. That trade is over. Once your target or stop loss is hit triggered,
Okay.
you're out of your position.
Okay.
So you will have to place a new order at 100 if you want to do the same trade again.
Okay. Re-entry is not allowed.
No, no, you can do as many entry as you want.
Okay. Okay. Repeat is not allowed. 100 rupees coming in 100 rupees.
No, you can repeat your what do you say? You can repeat your trade, but it
Okay.
will not do it automatically. That's
Okay.
what I'm
Okay.
saying. So you have done one trade where your entry point is 100, your
Okay.
target is 50 point above this, and your stop loss is also 50 point below this, right?
Okay. Yes.
So
Yes.
once you get an entry, now
Okay.
both of your target and stop loss is activated.
Okay.
Whenever one of them is triggered, the other
Okay.
will be cancelled automatically, and here your trade is over,
Okay. Okay.
right? Now if you want to take entry at 100 rupees again, you will
Okay.
have to place that order again here by selecting OCO. Your targets and stop loss will be pre-filled like here it is right now.
Okay.
And if the market is above 100, use OCO limit and click on 100.
Okay.
So from here you will enter again,
Okay.
right?
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Ahmed, you have been very silent. Any questions?
No, 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 nothing.
G. G. Hello.
Yes.
The overall profit exit in all position your software is possible.
Yes. So we have a kill switch here at the bottom.
Okay.
So let's say you have different positions, one in Nifty, Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty,
Okay.
or in some
Okay.
futures. All
Okay.
these positions can be
The,
squared off with this exit all button. So this is like a
the
kill switch.
the overall positions some fixed 5,000 rupees profit
Yeah,
last 10,000 rupees last
yeah. So that
fixed
we are working on that. So you mean MTM based exit, right? PNL
yes
based
yes
exit.
yes yes yes
So we
yes
are working on that. So what will
O-
happen? You can set a target that if my PNL goes above this or below
okay
this, then exit all my positions. So we are working on that. This will be live
okay
soon.
okay okay
Yeah. So from here you can exit, but right now you can use this exit all button to exit from all the positions at once, and
okay
you can use this cancel all button to cancel all the open orders.
okay okay
Then in the ladder we have this quantity slice feature. So what it does? So it works for market orders. So let's say I have 2000 quantities, right? And if I select 30 here and click on buy market, sell market, so what will happen? My total traded quantity will be 2000, but there will be multiple orders of 30 quantity each. So it will slice the 2000 quantity into orders of 30 quantity, and this will work for market orders only. Then tick size is basically set at 1 by default. So what it means, right now you see the difference between consecutive prices is 1 rupee. So 110, 111, 112. If you change it to let's say 2 rupees, then your prices will come at a difference of 2 rupees. Now it's 118, 120, 122, right? So whenever the option price is above let's say 15, 20 rupees, I personally recommend to keep it at 1 rupees because it's easier to visualize then. But let's say for any out of the money option, which is on the expiry day when it is trading below 20 rupees, there you can keep it at 0.05 also. So I will show you. Let's say uh, currently market is at 47,900, right? So let's take 48,900 or even 49,000 call option. So it's trading at 17.85 rupees. So here I can maybe change my tick size to 50 paise or 5 paise or even 10 paise. So I can change it to 0.05, which is standard tick size by the exchange. So here you will see prices at a difference of 5 paise. I can make it 0.1 as well. So then it's like I can see the whole movement more granularly. But for like uh, option where price is more than like 20 rupees, don't do that. Just keep it at 1 rupees. Otherwise you won't be able to visualize these small changes. So yeah, and then you can open chart, you can navigate. So if you take your cursor to the right side of the screen, it will automatically move to the right. If you take your cursor on the left, it will move to the left. You have this horizontal bar to basically move. You can resize the ladder as you want, uh, the height and the width. and then you can also open charts and rearrange them here. Like what I do, I keep futures chart here, and I keep call option chart here, put option chart here. Here from the user settings, you can keep default chart interval. So whenever you open the chart, any chart, it will open with 1 minute time interval. Here you can set your uh, difference between, for this is for stop loss orders. You can decide how much slippage are you ready to take. So when you would know that when you go to a broker platform for any stop loss order, you have to provide two prices, right? So one is your trigger price and one is your limit price. So this is basically simply the difference between trigger price and limit price. That, for example, for an buy stop loss order, if I'm placing the trigger price as 120 and my difference is 20, so my limit price is actually 140. So whenever 120 is triggered, exchange places a limit order at 140. Most of the time that order gets executed just around 120 only, but during very volatile day like yesterday or day before yesterday, you can see a slippage of 2-3 rupees as well. Any questions, Raj?
No. Coming in the MCX is possible.
So MCX right now we don't have it, but we will plan to have it soon.
Okay.
I cannot commit on that, but we will try to do it soon.
Okay. Software is very useful, G.
Yeah, thank you, Raj.
I will using already is zero the Excel based algo using or for last year 5 years.
So Excel is good, but I will tell you one thing. Uh, you won't get that kind of speed that you get in a web-based or a software-based platform in
I will
Excel.
using is punching in is price nearest market price.
Yeah. So
Software using is my software MTM's overall profit is booking not working in software. Minus is booking is software is not working.
okay, so we will add that feature for MTM trailing
Okay.
and booking at a predefined target or stop loss. We will add that very soon. That one
Okay.
you can expect to have it by the month end.
Okay.
Uh, Apart from that, what I was saying, so in our platform, when you basically trail an order,
Okay.
so you put an stop loss order, right? So that order goes to the broker.
Yes.
But
Yes.
once you start trailing, that order is cancelled from the broker side and managed by the OptionX internally,
Okay.
right? So in this order, our latency is less than 10 milliseconds.
Yes.
So once your trigger price is achieved, within 10 milliseconds, OptionX places a market order to close that position.
Okay.
So that kind of latency you won't get in an Excel based tool.
The Excel based you're using is a very good. No problem. I will base it cloud based using. I will create the cloud using.
Okay. Yeah.
A maximum feature to option is available. Increment order is available. More than features in availability. I will develop in Excel. Only working in zero.
Okay. Understood. Yeah. So you can try our product for 14 days. If you like it, you can go for it. And if you have any feedback, you can basically let us know. I will just write down.
I will share the Excel. I will send you mail.
Yeah. So you can contact us at this email
Okay.
or at this number.
Okay.
Sivansu, any questions?
No, Gino.
No.
Okay. So in case Ahmed also does not have any question, we can close this session. I have covered all the features.
Prakshal, can you stay on the call? I have one-to-one
Okay.
questions.
Okay. Thank you, Ahmed.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Raj. Thank you, Raj.
So thank you.